Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, February 20th, 2026. We've made it through another week. Having a good week of trading this week, up nicely. Let's go over to the charts. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to get my trades put in here, but I did have four trades for plus 69 yesterday. And we had that nice swing high. Let me get my drawing tools out here. We had a bit of a sell-off right in the beginning, then followed by some sideways movement, some consolidation, and then it broke out. We had this nice swing high that happened there. And then we did take a couple of scalps in this area up here. And so actually, it looked like there was lots of good trading opportunity yesterday. Nice sell-off here. Another swing high there. Another nice sell-off there. Swing high, sell off, swing high, sell off. So yesterday just had lots of great opportunity. So let me get back to my regular drawing tools. Um, Q closed at 603.55, and it looks like we have a gap play this morning, and it's down, currently sitting at 628, $600.28. So Kathy in, and that will make our gap fill and trigger 682. So it's actually fairly close to it now. I'm going to write that down. Gap fill 682 cents. We'll see if that holds out. Let's head back up to real time. I'm going to head over to the option chain. We are on the 20th today. I got to reset my option chain here real quick. There we go. We've got 1,722,000 already traded in pre-market volume. Wow, things are out of whack. So we won't quote the strikes until we get all this pre-market volume figured into the strike pricing. And I'll let you know once we get into the market. Let's head back to here, get things recentered. There we go. Okay, let's see what's going on with the economic news this morning, see if there's anything. All right, Friday, boy, lots of stuff this morning. 8:30 we had GDP come out. We had personal income, personal spending, PCE index, PCE year over year, core PCE index, core PCE year over year. And then at 9:45 we've got three things coming out: S&P Flash U.S. Services PMI, manufacturing PMI, so services and manufacturing PMI, as well as Atlanta's Fed president. Hey, that's our Fed president. Raphael Bostic speaks. At 10 a.m., we got new home sales. Two new home sales reports coming out at 10, and then consumer sentiment. So definitely stuff that will um, allow that will affect the pop at the top. So that's what we have, and we've got coming up on 30 seconds till we start. Bring that back up, bring that down. Okay, let's make it a good finish to the week. Get some good trades in today. There's 15 seconds. Lots of reports out today, lots of economic news happening. So we'll see how that affects the markets. There we go in four, three, two, one. And there's the bell. We are in and we are off, waiting for the broader markets to report. Dow is down by 121, S&P is down by 21, and NASDAQ is down by 140. So we have a red markets on the broader indices, and we'll see how that affects us, if it does. Here we go. So long, long bottom wick there. Price bounced right back up. Even if this does fill the gap, we're not going to take a trade in the first 5 minutes. It's about to fill the gap. There it goes. It just filled the gap and just came back under. But we generally don't take a trade in at least the first 5 minutes. The reason is we're letting the market maker or market makers, he, she, it, move around price. They're trying to find where the traders are and where they can start pushing price one way or the other. We don't want to get caught in that craziness. We want to let that go by first and then start getting an indicator of which direction they may be moving pricing. So price is heading up, breaking toward VWAP. It's broken through VWAP. Let's head over to the option chain, see what we've got now. So I will likely start at the 599 on the call side and probably the 605 on the put side. We'll keep an eye on this price climb. Price was advancing up pretty easily. It's hit a pause. And as usual, my charts are behind in the beginning. They will catch up as they did yesterday. Price still rising. Our fourth minute. I'm going to actually head over to the 599 on the call side. So market makers running out of traders willing to pay more for QQQ. So starting to see some reversal set up here. We'll see if they overcome that, or if it's just going to slide right back down. Great volume so far, up to 4,150,000 already traded. We do have those reports coming out at 9:45. Oh, okay, breaking through. I'm going to head over to the 600 on the call side. Stand by, everybody. This is I stand by to get into this. Let's see if this has any more in it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger on this, get into this trade, which I did. Filled at 504. I'm going to, I'm going to go ahead and take profit here. There we go. Got out at 528, 504 to 528. Price is pausing here. My lights are flickering in the house. If I should lose power here, folks, we'll come right back. You'll have to relog back in if I lose